I'm going to show you how reconstituting raw, freeze-dried eggs into a powder will turn right back into eggs again. So here I'm going to scramble 2 eggs. Now, your powdered eggs will equal 2 tablespoons to each egg. So in this bowl here, because I'm going to do 2 eggs, I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of raw egg powder. That's 4 tablespoons, which will equal 2 eggs. So it's 2 tablespoons of freeze-dried raw egg, and it would be 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm doing 2 eggs, so I'm putting 4 tablespoons of water in. Now when you make scrambled eggs, I do, I don't know if you do, but I usually put a little milk in. So here I have a tablespoon of milk. I'm going to add that in there too. And then you're going to take your eggs and just simply whisk them up in the bowl. And as you notice, these look like real scrambled eggs now. Within a matter of seconds, these have already hydrated back into an egg. Now we're going to put them on the stove and cook it up. Okay, so I have my reconstituted scrambled eggs. I'm going to spray the pan with a little pan. As you can see, I have the fire on it and I'm heating the pan up. And in go the eggs. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. You'll get a perfect scrambled egg. And like I said, you can use these freeze-dried eggs in every recipe that calls for an egg. Simply put 2 tablespoons in for every egg that you're going to need. And here are 2 scrambled eggs to perfection. And they taste absolutely delicious. You cannot tell the difference. Most restaurants that you go to will serve powdered eggs. And as far as the longevity, the shelf life is about 10 years, but believe me, they always say you have to put an expiration date on it. They're good past 10 years, so I wouldn't be throwing them out. And they make great omelets too.